Once upon a time, our health teacher gave us a 5-pound sack of flour and said, "Hey, here's a baby." So now I have to do a project on it. I decided to do a video. Meet Timmy. The 5-pound sack of flour, my baby. People often ask me if single parenting is hard. My response is, I often find myself doing 8 things at a time at least once a day because this little little precious darling Timmy won't be quiet at some moments. I'm the only one cooking. That's just work around the house. The expenses, trust me, are a lot. It's expensive to pay for things like clothes, toys, food. No, don't even get me started with daycare. No, not you. I'm gonna have to hang up. Not even to get me started with daycare. As nice as daycare is, it can be up to $10,000 per year for infant daycare. Keep in mind, minimum wage is $20,000 a year. Thankfully, my boss is nice enough to let me bring my baby to work whenever I don't have anybody to take care of him.
Having him take care of the baby at work, it's really annoying, but in all fairness, I am a bit too cheap to pay him enough.
Don't get me wrong. I may be putting out the wrong image that babies are just hard to handle and they're just a mess. Well, they are. So here's 4 tips that will help you become an expert. Babies do not eat sandwiches. If possible, let a person you trust take care of your baby. Don't bring them to work. It's always a good idea to read to your child. They end up learning words quicker, and it's good for them. Timmy's favorite book is the driver's manual, for some reason. Don't pay for too much. Compare the prices that many different stores offer. Get the best deals. Alright. In all seriousness, babies can be the pride and joy of your life. It can be the best experience to raise a child and all this, that, and the other thing. I've never actually raised a child, so I don't know how a real child functions, if you know what I mean. As you can probably tell, I had a lot of fun making this. Thank you to all my friends who helped me film this, and thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a nice day.